Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to explore the word distinction. It's a word that's used in various contexts, but what exactly does it mean? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use distinction in different situations. Let's dive in. So what does distinction mean? Distinction generally refers to a difference or contrast between two or more things, but it can also mean a special honor or achievement that sets someone or something apart from others. It can be used in various situations, from academic settings to everyday life. Example: the distinction between the two products is clear. One is more durable and the other is cheaper. In this case, distinction is about recognizing a difference. Let's look at a few more examples to understand how distinction is used. She graduated with distinction for her outstanding academic performance. There is a clear distinction between traditional and modern architecture. He was awarded a distinction for his excellence in sports. In these examples, distinction refers to a special achievement or notable difference. Now, let's look at how distinction can be used in different contexts. In education, in schools or universities, distinction often refers to high academic achievement or receiving a special recognition for performance. Example: she received her degree with distinction, meaning she achieved top marks. In differences, distinction can also refer to the differences or see between things, such as between two ideas, people, or objects. Example: the distinction between right and wrong can sometimes be difficult to determine. In social contexts, it can also be used when talking about someone's honor or status in society. Example: the artist has earned a distinction in the world of contemporary art. Quick recap: distinction can mean a difference or contrast between things. It also refers to a special honor or achievement. You use distinction when talking about achievements, differences, or recognitions in various fields, like education, art, or work. Now you know how to use distinction confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain more words. See you next time, and keep learning.